So YouTube cell phone charger devices here. So it is almost about the thunderstorm here. Well, I'm not gonna tell you where I am because this is actually the town where I live. And well, I can tell you this: this is New York State. I'm not giving away my exact location. And I just felt a raindrop. Yeah. And yeah, straight ahead, open, bright blue down there. There's somebody coming down the hill. Live down here, but like I said, I'm not gonna give away my location. It's a creek, got everything. But again, it's about the storm. Like, look at that. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.